I was 4 when I started playing hockey. I changed to goalie when I was 9.
4.
I knew I wanted to continue playing hockey for a really long time. So
I got into hockey when I was in kindergarten because the kindergarten class crush brought a flyer. And I was the worst one out there by a long shot. But I think I wanted to play professional was maybe when I was a freshman in college.
I started playing hockey when I was 8, so a little bit later, and then kind of figured out that I wanted to play professional. I guess that wasn't a thing at the time, but more so college when I was like 12, 13.
Well, that does make sense. We're so lucky to have a professional league now and to have you representing us. And I do have just one final question, which is, what is your